Call parking can be a bit tricky to set up. We've built our call parking process to simplify that process. So to set the scenes, our default bays start from 700 to 709, giving 10 bays, but you can create as many as you wish. You'll choose a number to set the bays against, which can be any number on your account, which you'll enable under the switchboard and advanced settings. To park into a bay, you'll use the *1 short key. In this example, I've got 2 parking bays. *701 parks to Corking Bay 1 and *1702 Bay 2. Shifting to the Yealink phone, Pete catches the incoming call and parks to Park 1. Rajesh, who's subscribed to bays 1 or 2, can see the red flashing light on her phone, indicating the call that Pete has just parked to Bay 1. So hitting Park Bay 1 retrieves the call from the parking bay, and now Pete can see Rajesh has the call. And actually, if no one answered, it will go straight to Pete on whatever time cycles you've provisioned. So here's the setup on the Yealink, mirroring the example above on Pete and Rajesh's phones. The Polycom, Cisco Spars, Grandstreams are mostly the same. And actually, on that note, for customers using our Yealink or Grandstreams, we support call park provisioning directly from our device provisioning, which makes it even simpler. You don't need to touch the phone. You'll set that up with your other keys, your BLF, presence, and just the general setup of the phones. So that's the basic setup. There's more detail in our help knowledge base, which you'll find at help.twotalk.com. As always, email us on sales@twotalk.com, chat on our live site, or you call our main number 800 283 1332. That's me, and thanks for your time.